feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
We made it. We made it. We're in Bowling Green. 7 o'clock in the morning. Woo! Hey guys, so we made it. First thing we did, through tech, 1150 class. Well, actually, the first thing we did was, good thing we brought 2 spares. So, go ahead and throw the spare on and, yeah. Well, hey, I guess we got 2 qualifiers today, and then tomorrow go into elimination. So, let's get it, baby. Alright, our first qualifier. I think this is, they had 2 yesterday, which was Thursday. We didn't get here till Friday. So, it's gonna be our first. I think we get 2 today, and then eliminations tomorrow. They thought they was gonna do first round today, but first round's tomorrow, about 10 o'clock. So, satellite's halfway cleaned up. Looking good out here. Got 1150, hopefully that's what it runs. We'll see what happens. right, so that first pass went 1163. So that's not going to work because, you know, we had tried to dial it to 1050. It's quicker to the 8th, but it didn't really do anything else out the back half. So we're going to slow it back down to 1175 like we do every year, right? The last 2 times we came to Bowling Green, we got to slow it down to 1175. So we had a 6,000 in the shift light. We're going to shift it now at 5,500. And I'm going to put more gas in it, probably about another 5 gallons. See what that does. We only get one more, so that, you know, hopefully that slows it down enough. If it does, good. If it doesn't, then we'll shift to 53. I got a 5,300. We'll figure this out together. But now we wait a couple hours before we can go back up, but we're here to have fun, baby. Let's go. Seconds of your life. Let's see what it did. Hopefully it went 1170 something. Well, we made it. Day 2. Got a nice spot going on. 7:30 in the morning. We already warmed up the car. Just waiting till, I don't know, probably 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go to first round. So let's jump to it. So in lanes, round 1. We got Mr. Hills over there. You got a 10-0 index car. Got Jonathan here helping me. He's recording. He's a lifesaver. He's a superstar. But good race to him. You know, good luck to him. Not good race. Not yet. And hopefully we come out with a W. See what happens. I hope I got it. I hit the brakes hard. let off the gas. Let's see what happens. So the changes we did today, we put a little bit extra weight in the car. Fuel tank full, 15 gallons, okay? We ran it with the air cleaner on, because yesterday we were 10th fast and still shifting 5,500. And my plan was to get down there and drive the strike. And we did. You seen it in the GoPro. I killed 20, it only goes 113, 114. I killed 20 miles an hour and still broke out. My 8th mile per hour was 93. My quarter mile was 94. I don't know what else I could have done. Oh well. So now we're gonna hang out and watch some racing. It just sucks to lose like that. Like, I'm not a huge fan of bracket racing. I really don't know what else I could have done there. Cut a better light and then cross the finish line at 70 miles an hour. If you see in the GoPro, like from about 1,000 foot on, I was about half throttle. And I was like, he's not coming, he's not coming, he's not coming. And then there at the end, you know, stab the brakes a little bit. Is what it is. So, moving on, we're rooting for Neil. Neil just ran, he had a competition by, went 994 off the 10.0 index. So, you know, hopefully he goes further. And everybody we're pitted with, everybody broke out. But I broke out worse. So we'll regroup and have some fun and watch a race. No! 996. And that's a wrap.